ಸೇರಿದ್ರು ಮುದ್ದು ಮುಖದ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಅವರು ಧರಿಸಿದ್ದ ವಿವಿಧ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸದ ಉಡುಗೆ ತೊಡುಗೆಗಳು, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕನ್ನೋಟ, ತೊದಲು ಹಾಡುಗಳು, ತೊದಲು ಮಾತುಗಳು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ವಿಶ್ವವಿಖ್ಯಾತ ಕಾರು ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ರೆನಾಲ್ಟ್ನ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಅಧಿಕೃತ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ರೆನಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ರೆನಾಲ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕಿಡ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ ವಿಜೇತ ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿತರಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ರೆನಾಲ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕಿಡ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ 2K18 ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಮಮತಾ. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿಖ್ಯಾತ ಕಾರು ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ರೆನಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಅಧಿಕೃತ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ರೆನಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ರೆನಾಲ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕಿಡ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದರ ವಿಜೇತ ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿತರಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಜರುಗಿತ್ತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಬನ್ನಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ.
Occasion of Children's Day, we at Renault Mangalore have tried something that is more exciting for children and to make their day the most memorable for them by conducting a cute kid photo contest. Today, I would like to welcome all of you for the prize distribution ceremony of the contest held. First of all, I am very pleased to extend my hearty welcome to all the cute little kids over here and their parents and family members as well. I would like to extend my welcome to the chief guest of the day, CA M. Jagannath Kamath, Chartered Accountant, President of GSB All Temples Association. To tell about him, Mr. Jagannath Kamath hails from the place Munkur, having completed his graduation from Saint Philomena College, Puttur. He pursued the CA course and completed it in the year 1984, and since then he is practicing. He has a rich knowledge and experience, having practiced for 33 years till date. He is a partner in the firm Kamath and Kamath Associates. He is also a senior partner of the firm M. Jagannath Kamath and Co. He was the chairman of the Mangalore branch of SIRC of ICAI for the year 2013-14, and during the tenure, the Mangalore branch has witnessed the inauguration of the ICAI Bhavan with state-of-the-art facilities, and he has played an instrumental role in bringing it up, and the Mangalore branch was all awarded with a highly accommodated performance certificate on all India level by ICAI for the first time. Welcome to you, sir. My hearty welcome goes to the guest of honor, CA Mamta Rao, Chartered Accountant, Senior Manager, Saraswat Bank, Mangalore. She has also cleared her IAS exam and CAIB exam. She is our first capture customer. We are proud to say that we started our vibrant workshop at their place. A warm welcome to all the press and media partners for here. I welcome each and everyone present here this event. Hope this event will be the most beautiful one. I hope you all will enjoy this event. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti. I now request Mr. Mithun Chowdhury sir, today's chief guest, Mr. CA M. Jagannath Kamath. I request. I would also like to request Mr. Arun Mehndi sir to hand over the bouquet to Mr. Manivandan sir. Thank you so much. Take a part of cannot drive darkness, only the light can do that. So now we will have a traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony, bright path. I now request all the dignitaries on the dais to kindly light the lamp and symbolically inaugurate the program.
all the little kids and for coming and living and joining the celebration of Children's Day and the Smart Kid for Renault. Children are God's blessings in our life. They conquer our hearts with their beautiful eyes, innocent activities and smiles. Today, some children will get prize, though each child is very, very beautiful and winners. It is indeed a very tough choice for the judges to make. On this day, I would like to thank Mr. Manivan, ASM Renault. He has event. He is our family friend and an excellent chartered accountant who has immense knowledge and experience. He is a great human being. We thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation and for being the chief guest. I sincerely thank CA Mamta Rao for being with us today. She is the senior manager in Saraswat Bank, again a close family friend, and she was the first Renault capture customer for us. Thank you, Mamta. Every success begins with an initial thought. In case of Renault Cute Kids, it was Mr. Rizwan who dreamt of this concept and strived hard to make it a grand success. Thank you, Rizwan, for your vision and for spending sleepless nights to see it come. I would also like to thank Raif who developed the software for us. Our pillars of success is our team, and I take this opportunity to thank every one of them for their efforts, trust and dedication towards the common goal of happy customers. To name a few, we have CRM Shruti, Akshata, Sandhya, team leaders Yashoda, Loyal, Ismail, manager Guru, and from service we have Jagdish, AGM.
ಕಳೆದ 2 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ 400 to 500 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಈ ಸಲ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೂ ಮೀರಿ 1300ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅಧಿಕ ಜನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಈವೆಂಟನ್ನು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗುವ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆತ್ತವರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕೆಲವರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಕೆಲವರು ತುಂಬ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಅತಿಯಾದ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಒಂದು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಆದರೆ 1300 ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ವಿವಿಧ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾವು 10 ಜನ ಜಡ್ಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗಿಂತ ಒಬ್ಬರು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಆದರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ರೂಲ್ಸು ಆ ಥರ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವರನ್ನು ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಬೇಸರ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿಗೂ 1300 ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮೆಡಲನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಘೋಷಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದವರಿಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವರು ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಬರೆದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಸೊ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸೇ. ಆಲ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್. So I'll once again congratulate all the participants and their parents for participating in this wonderful event. Thank you all.
but unfortunately I don't know. So kindly bear with my English. So good evening to one and all. It is really happy and privileged to be part of this event and to represent Renault for this wonderful program organized over here. I especially thank you all for active participation in this event, because without your involvement and participation, this event would not have been such success for us. And one more thing, I want to congratulate to all the winners and participants over here. And it is one of the real toughest challenge to vote for this competition. Even we can vote for a parliamentary election and we can finish it off very soon. I would like to also quote one of the instances happened to me. This link was shared to me as being one of the judge for the common program. Me and my wife were actually wanted to select the participants and winners. We finally entered into a big dispute and have to forgo my dinner also. So that much importance is being given for every kids. We, Mr. Mithun, Mr. Arun, Mrs. Jennifer. So all your supports and motivations really makes your team to go such events. I would also like to congratulate and put efforts to all the organizers of these events. I've been observing and moving with the team for quite a while, and they've put up so much of efforts to organize this event. Finally, this conclusion seems to be a bigger one. The efforts, the minute things which these guys were focusing was really awesome. Special thanks to all the sales service teams under the leadership of Rizwan, Guru, Jagdish and Girish for making their effective contribution to make this program success. Thank you all. Wish you all good success. Thank you.
Here awaiting for their prizes. The mothers, the parents all participating here. So even I am a member of the Renault family and I welcome all of you here. All the best to the kids and all the best to the team and management of Renault to continue this good work year and year ahead. Thank you.
Our chief guest, Mr. C.A. M. Jagannath Kamath, Chartered Accountant, sir, to kindly come and speak few words.
My good friend Arun, member in the fraternity, C.A. Mamta, and all the parents who have come here along with their children. This is the first time I am hearing, I have seen or I have heard about a automobile dealer conducting a kid contest. This is really the first time. This is a social activity. You should give them a big round of applause. Most of the dealers are busy selling their cars. So this is a new thing which I think came to these partners of the Reynolds. Really hats off to them. First, congratulations should go to the judges, because already the organizers have told that there were 1,300 contestants. Judges might have broken their head to select a few people. First, who is the first, who is the second, and who are the winners of this contest. Because every child looks beautiful to all the parents. They are to the child's parent. And with 1,000 entries, 1,000 and odd entries, really it is difficult to judge. But in spite of that, the organizers have selected the best. And I congratulate all the participants. Definitely, when the child wins, there are losers also. I will share one thing. I was in one of the committees during we conduct Sharadosava here. When I was the active member of the committee, we decided that we should not give first prize, second prize and third prize. So those children who don't get the prizes get demotivated. So we thought of giving consolation prizes to all the participants. And the first, second and third, we were giving these kind of trophies. And we decided that consolation prizes should be like what children like. Maybe a school bag or something like an umbrella. And the result was the student or children who got the first prize in all the competition, they were not reluctant to take these trophies. Rather, they were asking us to give the bags and other things because they were liking that. This is the mentality of the students. Anyhow, the organizers have done it excellently. I am also.
Public choice category, we have the second runner-up, Shashwat Naik. Thank you. Give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Please encourage the children. Tappadi Bhattacharya Ghosh is the winner of public choice category. Ashwin B. Shetty.
Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations.
Time.
Happy and contagious. I used to think that happiness had been
State Councillor winning second runner-up.
in the battle days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart.
Zorana Tappadi Barbeku. Audience.
Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy.
They've already distributed the prize for 3 to 6 years public choice category. Now it's time to distribute the prize for the next category, that is 0 to 3 years public choice category. And we have the second runner-up, Sharmik S. Suvarna. Please put your hands together for Sharmik S. Suvarna. Well, I think he's not present here right now. So let's move on to the first runner-up. We have the first runner-up, Nora Abigail D'Souza. Please put your hands together for Nora Abigail D'Souza, ladies and gentlemen. This is 0 to 3 years public choice category. Please put your hands together for Nora Abigail D'Souza, ladies and gentlemen. I now request Mr. Manivandan sir to give away the prizes for the winner of 0 to 3 years public choice category, Leroy John D'Souza. Please put your hands together for the winner, Leroy John D'Souza. We have this cute little one, winner of public choice category 0 to 3 years, Leroy John D'Souza. Please give a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Before we move on to the next category, in between I would like the chief guest to distribute the prize for participation certificate and give away the medals for the child who has participated. So now it's time to give the participation certificate for the children. So as and when I call upon name, I request the parents to come along with their child. So before we give away the participation certificate, ladies and gentlemen, we'll go on to the next category, that is Renault Choice 3 to 6 years category, and we have the second runner-up, Diha Anchal. Please give a big round of applause to Diha Anchal, the second runner-up for 3 to 6 years Renault Choice category. For 3 to 6 years Renault Choice category. I request the audience to kindly clap and encourage the children. It will be an Rion Milton, be ready. along with the child. Johan Shetty, Ashish Prabhu, Ishanya Kini, D'Souza from Kulu Church is present here. I Nishka Puneet. The Stylish Kid Award is won by Nishka Puneet. And on behalf of Nishka Puneet, we have his grandfather receiving the prize. Please give a big round of applause to Nishka Puneet. He has won the award for Stylish Kid. Thank you so much, kids.
ಓಕೆ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ಪೇಪರ್ ಪೆನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೆ ನಿಖುಲ್ ಇಂಚಿ ಕಿರ್ಗೇರ್ನೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜೆಂಟ್ಲ್ಮೆನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲುಕ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಓಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಯೋರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೋರ್ ವೈಫ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆನ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಿಖಿಲ್ನ ಬುಧರ್ ನಿಖಿಲ್ನ ಬಡಿದಿನ ಬುಧರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಮಿತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆನ್ ಟಾಪ್ If that is done, very simple. Ain question keno. Ain question ke bega bega answer malton podu. She was involved in you, she forgot what movie is going on. Very good, very good, very good. That jab tak ke jaan unyu vara boka theater la kaal ittu anchadu. Okay, second one, the first place both of you all visited. Anushka and Priyanka all set to perform. Papa ko aaj hi gante ke bad dance goskara ekar dinchi kaakondirtare. Aur agले जोर द ताटी बरಡು.
As kid of the event. So let us see, ladies and gentlemen. I request Jennifer ma'am and Mrs. Nidhi Chopra ma'am to kindly pick all together 5 names. 5 names. I have 5 names here. Among these 5 names, we are going to have one winner kid of the event. Are you all excited? Seriously? So I'll call upon the names. The first name is Risham. Please put your hands together for Risham. The second name, Risham is present. Risham is present. Risham is not present. That is the reason we are going to pick one more kid. Ritvik DK. Ritvik DK is present. Okay. Next, Srishan. Mobile number ending 537. Srishan is present. I have the next name, Ishra Shika. Sheikh. She's present? Well, Ishra Sheikh is present here. Raksha C. Mobile number ending 263 present. Very good. And now, Nivan R. Anchal. Present? Very good. Now I have the final 5 names. Among this, one is going to be the lucky kid of the event. 3, 4, and 5. Alright? Yeah. Okay. I have the winner name in my hand right now. Any guesses? I mean, in general? No? Well, friends, it's time to announce the kid of the event, and the winner is Raksha C. Please put your hands together for Raksha C, ladies and gentlemen. She is the kid of the event. And she's going to receive the prize, ladies and gentlemen. Raksha C. Please give a big round of applause, Raksha C.
And I tell everyone that you're the one. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I'd be happy and contagious? I used to think that happiness had a fading away. But that was in the many days before I left you. When I left you, walk into my
Thank you so much, Mitali. Next, I would like to call upon Nehal D'Souza to perform. Yeah.
To everyone present here on behalf of Reno Mangalore. Today we have celebrated Children's Day in a most special way. I heartily congratulate to all the winners and all the participants for their active participation in this event. Each and every kid has got his own talent, has a unique charm, and indeed, they are the apple of every parent's eye. This was just a small event to bring together all the kids and celebrate Children's Day in a most special way. We for being with us this evening and making us feel proud and more than about your love for us. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty for blessing us all with this delightful evening. At the outset, I would like to express my profound gratitude to the chief guest of this event, Mr. C.A.M. Jagannath Kamath, for graciously accepting our invitation on short notice. Your presence and gentle word of appreciation is a source of encouragement for us all. Thank you very much, sir. My sincere gratitude goes to the guest of honor, Mrs. Mamta Rao, again a CA profession. Thank you very much, ma'am, for being here and participating in this event. My heartfelt thanks to Mr. Manivandan, our area sales manager, Renault India, for traveling all over from Chennai to Mangalore to attend this event. He had to leave a bit early, but anyway, very thank you for attending this event. We are equally encouraged by the presence of Mr. Mithun Sir, Managing Director of Enoch Trading Private Limited, and Mr. Arun Mendes Sir, Director of Enoch Trading Private Limited. We would like to express a deep sense of gratitude for your encouraging words and for your valued support and guidance throughout. Without your unflinching support and cooperation, we could not have achieved much. A special word of thank you to Mrs. Jennifer Arun Mendes and Mrs. Nidhi Mithun Chowdhury for being present here to witness the program and for cheering us in every step we take. A profound thank you and gratitude to Mr. Mohammad Rizwan Sir, Business Head, Renault Mangalore and Udupi. He is the coordinator of this event and he was instrumental in planning and executing the entire program to make this event a successful one. I would also like to thank Mr. Girish, General Manager, Renault Mangalore. He is the General Manager of Service, Renault Mangalore and Udupi. Mr. Guru Prasad MS, Sales Head, Renault Udupi. And Mr. Jagadish, Service Manager, Renault Mangalore, for being present here and for providing all the support. Thank you to Mr. Jaideep Sir, HR Manager of Renault Mangalore and Udupi, for supporting us during this event. Events like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye detail. We have been fortunate to be backed by Mr. Mohammad Reis, a second year BE student from Saikagiri Engineering College, Mangalore, who is a key instrument in creating the Photo Cute Kid Contest online voting program, and also he has contributed his idea to carry on the program smoothly. His talent and his dedication and his willingness to help will surely take him to the heights. Thank you very much, Mr. Rais Mohammed. May you come up with the flying colors in your academics and have a bright future ahead. At this moment, I would also ask him to come on the stage as we would like to present him a memento as a piece of thank you. Thank you for your support. I take this opportunity to extend our most sincere thanks to all the parents who took participation in this contest, and a very big thank you to all the beautiful kids over here who made us smile and forget all our worries. Without them, this event wouldn't have been success. Also, a big thank you to V4 Channel and Jai Kirana, the print and electronic media, for their interest in covering this event and for making this a memorable one to all. Alright, I also would like to thank the Reverend Father Vincent D'Souza, who arrived here and who blessed us with giving prize to all the kids. Thank you very much, Father. last but not the least, thank you to the in-house catering services for arranging delicious refreshments. I thank you for being with us this evening. It has been a great pleasure, a great day. Thank you all for making this event a successful. Thank you for blessing us with your presence.
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಸಮ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಎಳೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಲ್ಮಶಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದಲೇ ಅವರು ಯಾವುದೇ ತುಂಟಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಅವರ ತುಂಟಾಟಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡುವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಂಭ್ರಮ. ಈ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ರೆನಾಲ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕಿಡ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡ ವಿಶ್ವವಿಖ್ಯಾತ ಕಾರು ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ರೆನಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ. ಇದು ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ. ವಂದನೆಗಳು.